Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel of daily tech news. So the Google Pixel 5 hasn't been out for that long. The phone was only launched in October last year, but the world of smartphones moves fast and we already have some potential details of the next flagship phone from Google, the Pixel 6. The internal code names for the future Pixel phones have been leaked last year: the Passport, Raven, and Oreo. Passport is for the alleged foldable phone from Google that may or may not launch this year. But Raven and Oreo are for the Pixel 6 and perhaps the Pixel 6 XL. Google decided against releasing a Pixel 5 XL last year because they changed their direction slightly when it comes to their phone releases, with the company moving away from fitting them out with the very best available tech. Instead, all the Google phones last year include more modest mid-range chipsets and price tags that sit below rival handsets from Samsung and Apple. They were also notably smaller phones, offering a respite from the usual barrage of huge Android devices. But they could change this year according to these internal code names. You see, the developer preview of the Android 12 is out already, and there are a few interesting hidden details inside the build. Notably, and I quote, "Make unlocking your phone a breeze, save time, unlocking phone in your pocket, and unlock your phone securely with your face and fingerprint." Now, based on these hidden codes, a lot of people are believing the Pixel 6 will have an in-display fingerprint scanner, plus Google will bring back the Face Unlock feature with the Pixel 6, something we saw on the Pixel 4. Now, even though the in-display fingerprint scanner has become a native Android feature with the Android 12, it doesn't guarantee that we will see the feature on the Pixel 6 or Pixel 6 XL. Though you can't rule out the possibility either. It seems the ditching of the Pixel 5 XL model was a result of the knock-on effects of the pandemic. If that's indeed the case, then hopefully in 2021, things will be different. We might see a return to the high-end space with the Pixel 6 XL packing a Snapdragon 888 chipset, and hence an in-display fingerprint scanner is very much a possibility. As for the in-display face scanner, though I don't think that would happen. Yes, we've seen patents from Apple about incorporating the Face ID sensors under the display, but I don't think that will happen anytime soon. It's a very complex technology. For a biometric solution, yes, we already have the under-display front camera, but don't expect under-display biometric solutions anytime soon. Anyway, the Pixel range has always had a strong reputation for excelling in the camera department. And while we're certainly impressed with the pictures produced by the Pixel 5, in some ways that model felt like a step back, and that's due to the use of an IMX363 12.2 megapixel sensor, which was pretty dated even on release. So I hope the Pixel 6 would see a new camera sensor to once again put Google on top when it comes to mobile cameras. It has worked wonders with AI and computational tech. However, it does now feel that the current sensor has reached its limit. Samsung and Apple phones take better photos than a Pixel phone these days, and it doesn't feel like Google has any competitive advantage. Plus, Google removed the telephoto lens featured on the Pixel 4 for some reason, so here's hoping that the next Pixel at least has 3 main cameras: normal, wide, and telephoto, to even the playing fields. With that being said, if you had to pick only one upgrade for the Pixel 6, what would it be? Let me know your thoughts and comments down below, and if you somehow like this video, sub to channel will definitely awesome, and as always, thanks for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.